Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free food from the McDonald's app. So, there are various ways to earn free food through the McDonald's app. The first way is download and sign up. You can download the McDonald's app, sign up and check for new user offers. Often, new users get special promotions like free fries or a drink with their first purchase. Second way to do this is earn reward points. Every time you make a purchase through the app, you will earn reward points. Accumulate points to redeem them from free menu items. For example, after reaching 1500 points, you might qualify for a free item like fries or a mac chicken. Now, third way to do this is daily deals and promotions. McDonald's frequently offers special promotions in the app like $1 large fries or free coffee with purchase. Some offers don't require a minimum purchase, letting you grab certain items for free. Fourth way to do this is birthday reward. Enter your birthday in the app profile to receive a free treat on your special day. Fifth way to do this is referral rewards. Occasionally, McDonald's run referral programs where both you and the person you refer get a bonus like free points or a free item. You can also take the advantage of exclusive app deals. So the McDonald's application frequently offers exclusive deals and promotions such as discounts or free items with specific purchases. Regularly checking the application can help you stay informed about these limited time offers. You can also participate in special promotions because McDonald's occasionally runs special promotions like McDonald's Monopoly game where customers can win free food and other prizes by collecting stickers from food packaging. Keeping an eye on current promotions can increase your chances of scoring freebies. Also, you can get this by providing feedback for rewards. Some customers have reported receiving free food items by providing feedback through the application or participating in surveys. Engaging with these opportunities can be a simple way to earn additional rewards. By combining these approaches, leveraging the reward program, staying alert to exclusive deals, participating in promotions, and providing feedback, you can maximize your opportunities to enjoy free food from the McDonald's through their app. So, on this McDonald's.com page, you can see you can earn points to redeem faves. So just go and select the Earn Points tab in McDonald's app found on the bottom menu bar, access the 4-digit drive-through code or the code to scan at the counter or kiosk. When you place an order in the app, you will automatically earn your points. Link your card details to the app so you can conveniently pay and earn points at the same time, including an extra 1500 bonus points on your first payment using your linked card. Then simply tell your drive-through code before placing your order at the speaker or scan the code in restaurant. You can redeem free McDonald's by going to the Rewards tab. There you can select the menu item you want to redeem, choose Use at Restaurant to get the drive-through code or select Use Restaurant Code when you're inside to reveal the code to use at counter or kiosk. And you can redeem free McDonald's meals by doing this. As you can see, at 1500 points, you'll be able to unlock these rewards. At 3000 points, you'll be able to unlock these. At 4500, these, and 6000 points will give you this meal. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.